Shane.
Good morning.
How's the tacos going this morning?
Doing really well. Selling out fast today.
Awesome. Shane is the proprietor of Heirloom Taco, favorite eatery in Calhoun County. Hey, Leah. Coffee's great this morning.
Ooh, I'm cold.
Are you?
Get Bella.
Yeah.
Nice hat, too.
Thank
I like
you.
that. Alright, so here's the deal. At this point, I'm going to take a drag. That's important. Maybe that won't make the cut. Hey everybody, welcome back. Got a little hike planned for this weekend. We're going to do an overnighter, going to test some equipment I'll tell you about, and got Haisten with me, TR and Dixie. She's ready to go.
Shout out Heirloom Taco. Amazing chorizo breakfast burrito.
So, the pack is a little long for me, and I need it shortened from here to the waistband. So, at some point this morning, stop making an adjustment. We didn't get to the shelter till after dark, so we haven't set up, but here's the lower shoal shelter. So it's a beautiful place here. Yeah. Got two creeks that come together. I'm sure you can't see them. We did get a little fire going. So this is a beautiful place. Come on, Dixie. Come on, Dixie. Up. Right here. Is that better? Good girl.
Oh, I got chicken fried rice.
Chicken fried.
What do you got, TR? Lasagna.
Lasagna. Up. Premium white chicken. Nor. Asian sides. Chicken flavor fried rice. Bam. There we go. We got Dixie fed. We got some warm water going to take care of our dehydrated meals. So it's going to be a good night. Coffee with Dixie. We got off to an early start. Got a little life in the shelter. Good girl. Dixie did not sleep well. It's her first night to sleep in a shelter, and she was just alert to the whole world all night long, and it wasn't fun. But she'll do better next time. Hey, try not to get wet. Yeah, thank you. Oh, good. Good, Dixie. Two creeks coming together. This is absolutely beautiful. So last night we had been laying down maybe an hour. I had to get up, as old men do, and I caught a cramp in my right hamstring.
And it's not done. I just reached the position that it's not hurting. No. I've never had a cramp like that. Why is this happening? Oh, yeah.
Making some pretty wild sounds. Turned out to be quite a laugh we had late at night because there was really nothing anyone could do. I don't have words to describe the pain I was dealing with and the lack of sympathy. I'm gonna go get the truck. It's at Pine Glen, and that's about 7 miles over there. And then I'll bring the truck back here, and when y'all get through fishing, then we'll load up and go.
How long do you think it'll take you?
So I think I can get over there in about 2 hours.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
I'm gonna be moving. But so I'm not gonna be out just all out running, but I'll take some quick steps once I get loosened up, you know. Woo, that's sweet. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Dixie and I is clicking along on a pretty good pace here. We've got a mile in. I'm not sure, under 15 minutes though on the trail, so it's pretty good because I'm not a trail runner. So I'm 2.27 miles out from the lower shoal, and that's a lot of water. That's about 30 foot across. This is definitely the coolest tree in the forest. Covered some ground this morning. Much needed rest. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Okay, here we go. My first creek crossing with the camera. Ooh. Yep. It's cold. Oh, real cold. Hurting cold. Hurry up. Cold. Oh, Lord. Woo! Easier said than done. So, I kid you not, I just ran up this hill behind me, and Dixie's been hunting hard this morning, and so I was trying to keep up with her, and up out of this tree, between those trees, squirrel jumps, misses, slams to the ground on the trail right there, and runs up into this tree here, like 5 foot in front of me. Oh my gosh, it sounded like dropping a 5-gallon bucket from 50 foot up as it hit the trail. Oh my goodness. Dixie, you missed it. Look in that tree, right there, in that tree. Oh my goodness, you don't know what I'm talking about. Come, Dixie. That's a road in front of you. Yep. I'm walking alongside High Rock Lake, and it's fed by Shoal Creek from Pine Glen down to High Rock. And if you ever wanted to get out and do a short walk, this is a great one. Sounds like mostly frogs. My goodness. So, I'm at Pine Glen now. I'm about to walk up on our family of overland campers. So, I don't think they're expecting to see me at all. So let's just see what happens. As they're all sitting out enjoying the activities. Woo! Hey, Bella. Hey, baby. Hey. How's all my hardcore campers? Hey.
How Dixie do?
How's everybody?
Good.
Awesome. I'm doing it so I don't die out on the trail. They're not, so they stayed. Hey, baby. Hey. Yeah.
So, it's been 5 hours and Bobby said he would only take 2. I'm getting kind of worried, are you?
Yeah, he said that he'll be back in 2. 6 miles. 6 miles to Pine Glen. And a mile and a half from the road to here. And TikTok, Dad. TikTok.
TR, that 2-hour trip turned into 5 hours. We've been out here hanging out, talking to a guy who's a thru hiker. And now there's Dixie.
It ain't from the lack of it. I did good. I got 3 hours. I was at Pine Glen, and they were when I got there, they were getting ready to start packing up. So we had to go back out to get the truck, drive here and back down here. Considering all things, I'm pretty tired. 3 hours. It was a little over, just barely over 6 miles to Pine Glen. That's a good time. That's a real good time.
Good time is in kick your butt.
Like I've jogged it, a good bit of it. And I did have to ford the creek.
Yeah.
I had to peel off the shoes and socks.
Dead John.
And let me tell you, that water, oh wow.
Boy.
Oh, you gotta get some film out here.
So that guy Orange Hat just left out of here about 30 minutes ago. I'm sure he's gonna be watching this video. And it's hailing.
I think I shocked Haisten this morning while you were asleep. So he actually hit me with a Jim Croce song that I didn't know. And but he wasn't sure I knew who he was until I did a rendition of Rapid Roy, that stock car boy. He is too much to believe. You know, he's always got an extra pack of cigarettes rolled up in his t-shirt sleeve. He's got a tattoo on his arm that say baby. He got another one that just say hey. But every Sunday afternoon, he is a dirt track demon in a 57 Chevrolet. I hope y'all have enjoyed the video. The Pinhoti is an amazing place. This is going to be the last time I'm going to get out on the Pinhoti before I start the AT. It's all getting surreal as I get closer to start date, and I can't think of a better place to be than in my own backyard on the Pinhoti. So hope y'all enjoyed it, and till next time, y'all take care.